My mother used to always say to me, "Joy comes in the morning." And she was right. It is in the stillness, when the world is just waking up and my conscious mind hasn't fully taken over, that I feel a connection or passageway to another world. It encapsulates that magic moment when the sun begins to slowly rise through the darkness of the night. Ah, yes, it's my absolute favorite time of day. Just me and the songbirds giving gratitude for breath, for life, for our slow beating hearts as we usher forward a fresh slate of possibility and outcome. I start my morning off with lemon water. If there is magic on this planet, it is contained in water. It contains within itself the mixed feelings in our hearts, which make us relate to it in every step of our lives. Not getting enough water can actually affect your mood and may result in fatigue and confusion, as well as anxiety. So it's a powerful antioxidant, vitamin C, that's found in lemons, and it really does help reduce our skin from aging. It aids in digestion, and it really helps balance your weight. Then I like to cleanse and start afresh with sage and incense. The ritual of sage burning has its roots in Native American tradition, and today we burn sage and other holy herbs to cleanse a space, an environment of negative energy, and even your own vessel, and to generate wisdom and clarity and promote healing. Smudging has been long used to connect to the spiritual realm or enhance intuition. This has become such a special and sacred ritual for me to just cleanse my own vessel, this jewelry case for my soul, and it's all with the intention that you put into it. So you can see here that I go ahead and do my under my arms, the soles of my feet, and it just really helps reset my entire system. Incense is widely used in many religious practices to deepen attention, heighten senses, and uplift one's own spirit when practicing meditation. After setting the stage and creating that new cleansed space, I then move into my magical gratitude practice. Gratitude means thankfulness, counting your blessings, noticing simple pleasures, and acknowledging everything that you receive. It means learning to live your life as if everything were a miracle, as if everything were sacred, and being aware on a continuous basis of how much you've been given. Gratitude shifts your focus from what your life lacks to the abundance that is already present. In addition, behavioral and psychological research has shown the surprising life improvements that can stem from the practice of gratitude. Simply giving thanks makes people happier and more resilient. It strengthens relationships. It improves health, it reduces stress, and it is the quickest way to manifesting your wildest dreams. You will begin to see things shift almost overnight. I encourage you to pick up a journal and start today, because if not you, then who? And if not now, then when? And watch the magic unfold. I then move into a 10 to 15 minute breathwork or kundalini session. The very nature of this practice is to awaken the energy of consciousness. It brings to our awareness our self-limiting beliefs and patterns that we inherited from the past. It detoxifies our bodies and invites new energy to come through as it awakens our ability to become intuitive and sensitive. Most importantly for me, this practice strengthens my nervous system. And the stronger your nerves are, the more you're able to act in a cool, calm, and collected manner when in the face of any situation. This has been crucial to my healing over the last year, and it also helps to awaken my inner creativity by releasing worries about the little things and opening up to infinite possibilities that life can offer. I then do a meditation for about 20 minutes to upwards of an hour, depending on the day. Some forms of meditation can improve depression and create a more positive outlook on life. Trying out a style of meditation suited to your goals is a great way to improve your quality of life, even if you only have a few minutes to do it each day. To finish off my sacred morning ritual, I like to consult with the cards. And this is all about really connecting deeply with your intuition in a way that is non-threatening to your conscious mind, which makes them a really great tool for getting around any subconscious blocks, self-limiting beliefs, or automated programming that you may have regarding the situations that you're in deep self-inquiry about. I have a beautiful gift from a sister. She gave me this pendulum, and I have been playing with that as well. And the insight that I have gleaned from offering this space for my spirit to speak through the cards has been powerful. I invite you to give it a try. Finding the magic through the madness that we are currently facing in our world is such a beautiful way to start your day. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching.